Hi guys, I'm really excited to announce I'm doing my first Instagram Live on April 20th at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, I'm going to be doing a live demonstration on tips and tricks for caring for your shoes. You'll get to see my oldest pair of shoes that I've had since the 90s and what I've done to maintain them all in all these years. So now, if you're a new friend here, welcome. I hope you will subscribe so that you can know when I am going to go live on Instagram. But also, if you're an old buddy, then you know I do a ton of videos. But what you don't know is I'm a very shy person and the camera actually terrifies me. Sometimes it could take me up to 30 takes just to do a 1 minute social media holiday. But so I know I just need to dive in and do it and get it over with, just to get the nerves out and then just continue to do them over and over just to get over my fear of public speaking. So, um, now the other fear I have is that no one will join. So that's another reason why I've been terrified to go live is because what if I'm sitting there and I've got all of my props all lined up, all my keynotes all ready to go, and no one actually shows up. But c'est la vie. If it happens, it happens. Hopefully in time it will grow bigger and bigger, but we'll kind of cross fingers and see how it goes. So, what else do I want to say about this? So, let me know in advance if you have any questions about caring for your shoes that I will be able to answer for you on that day live. So, again, it's going to be on April 20th. I made the date easy, 4/20 at 1 p.m. lunchtime. So, hopefully, you guys can join. Now, leave a comment again with your questions, but also to let me know if you'll be there when I go live. That's it, you guys. Thank you all so much for your support, and I look forward to seeing you on April 20th. And until next time, bye.